Hi everyone, our team's final project is NBA Trees data visualization. First, for the dataset, we write a Python file to collect trees. Here we set a filter of 180 words to filter the trees. And if the user location is not known, we write the tree into a file. And then we use another Python file for the data cleaning. Here we find the keyword for every team. And we label the team to the tweet. And we use geocode and reverse geocode to get the data location, indicating which state the user is in. Then we label the sentiment to the tweet. Here we load the data, and we get the sentiment score for every sentence in the tweet. And we calculate the average sentiment for a tweet. And then we'll write the data in the file. Here we can see the result. We can see the sentiment score of every team, of every tweet, sorry. And then we use Spark to deal with the sentiment data. First, we load the data as RDD form, and then we'll create a data frame. And then we count the number of tweets of every state team pair. And we calculate the average sentiment score of every state team pair. And then we count the number of positive sentiments and negative sentiments and calculate the proportion of them. Then we join all the tables together and export the data into a CSV file. Here is the CSV file. So we can see every state team pair, and we can see the count of number of tweets and the average sentiment and the proportion of positive and negative tweets. For visualization, we load data into a heat map. Here in the picture, for example, we can see we load the data of the count of number of tweets, so we can see the heat distribution of rockets all over the country. We can see in the picture, Texas is the darkest state of the country. It means people in Texas love rockets the most, and California is the second. For word cloud, we write a Python file to generate word cloud. Here we have 50 states, and we load the JSON file, and we do the mapping, s.words, and then we generate word clouds of every team and every state. And here's the result.
Hello, I'm Yipeng Zhou, and now I'm introducing the Neo4j graph database to make the data visualization in my project. We use the return of the data analysis. This CSV file is 30 teams of NBA, and this is 51 states of USA, and this file stores the connection between the states and the teams. Now we build a database in Neo4j desktop, create it. We go to the import folder and copy the 3 files to it. We start the database. Here we have some scripts to add the 3 CSV files to the database. Running now. We can also open the database from the web browser. Now we use the first script to add the teams to the database. Now the database is empty. We run the script. The 30 teams has been added. Sure, just like this. Then we added the states. And then the relationships. The adds from states to teams. Now here's some edges showed. We have successfully added them all. Now I want to make a simple query on it. It will find the most positive fans, which on the edges has over 1,000 tweet counts, and their average sentiment is over 0.3. Okay, we found that. We found the Bucks and Thunder team have the most of the positive fans in USA. That is it. If you like this, you can make some more difficult query in Neo4j too. Thank you.